Kelly Rowland says she doesn't know Excel. Microsoft Excel responds. American singer Kelly Rowland recently appeared on talk show The Real, where she said, "I don't know what Microsoft Excel is, I don't have a clue." Kelly was asked about Excel on the show as her Grammy-winning song Dilemmas video featured the software. Responding to Rowland, Microsoft Excel's Twitter account tweeted, "No matter what you do, we're crazy over you." U.S. startup makes robot that could make doorstep delivery. A startup, Agility Robotics, a spinoff of America's Oregon State University, has unveiled its new bipedal robot named Digit that could be used to make doorstep package deliveries. The robot, still in testing, is strong enough to pick up and stack 18-kilogram boxes. It's also equipped with 4 degrees of freedom arms that can help it catch itself during a fall. TikTok fined $5.7 million in U.S. over child privacy violations. His Federal Trade Commission has fined lip-syncing video app TikTok $5.7 million to settle allegations of making under 13 users' profiles public and collecting their personal information without parental consent. TikTok was allegedly aware of the issue and did not act despite several complaints. Notably, Tamil Nadu has also demanded a ban on TikTok over concerns of cultural degeneration of youngsters. Thailand passes cyber law that may enable government surveillance. Thailand's military-appointed parliament has unanimously passed a controversial cybersecurity law that may enable surveillance of its citizens. The law, deemed cyber martial law, allows the military-led National Security Council to override all procedures with its own law on reaching a critical level. It could enable internet traffic monitoring and access to private data without a court order.